Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate reward redemption on Bank of America, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate reward redemption on Bank of America, start by logging into your online banking account. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Bank of America website. Enter your username and password in the login fields. Click on the login button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section. This section is typically located in the main menu or under your account overview. Select the account for which you wish to redeem rewards. Review your available points or cashback balance. Click on the Redeem Rewards button to start the redemption process. You will be presented with various redemption options available for your rewards. Choose the specific reward type you wish to redeem. Options may include statement credits, gift cards, travel, or merchandise. Follow the prompts to select the exact reward you want. If redeeming for travel, you may be redirected to a travel booking portal. Ensure you review any terms and conditions associated with the reward. After making your selection, confirm your redemption choice. You may need to verify your identity for security purposes. Upon confirmation, you will receive a notification of your redemption. Check your email or account notifications for confirmation details. Keep track of the estimated time for the reward to be processed. Feel free to reach out to customer service if you encounter any issues. Your rewards are now activated for redemption. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.